Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinio scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila banlek puli, da ka education loan, pila urban chukol hau number, khandai nyo, saw, san rin prano, lani khandai pran laisan, an riway khandai pran. Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpanyutarek Ujamang Arjar Plie, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Balne Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Katwi Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol How number 90890-97907.
Jaïaw Presbyterian High Secondary School Shillong haka khandru trik ujumang hazar Plie Pyrda ya ka Jingrakhe dap shispa Snem haka jingya lenti ban basa ya ki liu jingstat shaki khna ki basa haka than Jaïaw maukhar riat samthia maulai so sun bar kishnong ki ba marjan haka ni jing Pyrda ya ka jingdap shispa Snem la sakilang daw menteri rong ba ka jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ubala longkum ukongsan Reverend WP Marbanyang ubade moderator jong ka KGP senot semngi ubalongkum usumbut kongsan lembat ka jingadan lang jong president ka school managing committee Reverend WC Kongwer ki pastor bar kitemen basan jong ka balang Presbyterian kinong hikai bar ki khna school.
First of all, I would like to express a very thankfulness to management, staff and students for your invitation me in this special occasion. And on behalf of the Jaïaw President, I bring a greeting to the sponsoring body, management, staff and students, and all present in this Jaïaw. In the name of the Lord our God, who is the origin of all knowledge and wisdom, I shall here this flag of the centenary celebration opening ceremony of the Jaïaw Presbyterian High Secondary School, Jaïaw, Shillong. I hope this flag, we believe that is the flag of victory. And I hope that the school will fight a good fight to have a victory for all the years to come. May the grace, just Lord, be with the sponsoring committee and the school for all the years to come.
It gives me immense pleasure and honor to unveil the tablet of the centenary celebration of the Presbyterian High Secondary School. I take this opportunity to thank all the past managing committee members, the presidents, the secretaries, the teachers, the principals, all those who have contributed to making this school what it is today. And I'm sure that those who have a long relationship with the school must be looking back at the past many years and must be having a sense of satisfaction to see how far the school has come. I was just speaking to our Honorable Chairman of the State Planning Board, who happened to be a student in the school many, many years back. And he was sharing some of his experiences of how the school was during that time. As soon as the children walked in to sing the beautiful song, and I must say it was really beautiful. I have not heard such a powerful song in a very long time. It was really, really powerful and really done well. I thank the students for singing that amazing song and the teachers who helped them prepare for it. And I'm sure that the Honorable MLA, when he was mentioning, he said, it's come such a long way to see how the school has today evolved and where it is. So I must take this opportunity to thank all those who have been working and have been related to the school in the different aspects and made it what it is today. And I'm sure that looking back, all of you must be having a sense of satisfaction to see how the school has come up in the last many, many years for the school. So I urge the managing committee and all the members of the church, as well as the alumni and others who are associated with the school, let us put a goal and we move forward so that we're able to achieve much higher standards for the school in the coming years. In the education sector, our state faces numerous challenges. I don't want to go into all details. It will take me forever to explain all the aspects. But one thing I've realized, which I would like to share with you because this is an important moment even for me, having just started the second term of this government, is that in the education sector we have seen that a lot of decisions, a lot of things that need to be done are sometimes driven by factors which it should not be the case. Sometimes it's the society is put in the center and the decision is made. Sometimes we put the politicians in the center and the decision is made. Sometimes we put the managing committee and say what would the managing committee want, and we take decisions pertaining to the education sector. Sometimes we put teachers in the middle of all of this and take the decision. But a simple factor remains, which is that whatever we do in the education sector, it is the students who should be at the heart of what decision we need to take. It is the outcome that is going to help the students should be what should drive the decisions that we as managing committees, as teachers, as political leaders, as government should take, putting the student at the heart of our decision. A very simple statement to make, trust me, I've seen in the last 5 years, very simple statement to make. But all of us know that sometimes we start to sway and sometimes decisions are not based on what is best for the student. We have numerous challenges. 43% of our teachers today are not fully qualified. I'm talking about all sections of schools. Are not qualified today in one way or the other in terms of the standards that are prescribed by Government of Meghalaya and Government of India and the different agencies that are there. 43%. What can we do about it? How do we change those things? We have close to 14,000 schools in our state, where other states that are of similar size, like say Manipur, has just 4,000 schools. We have over 55,000 teachers in our state, compared to less than half of that in states like Nagaland and Manipur, which are equivalent to our size. The second largest, almost second largest I could say, budget in terms of the money that we spend, almost more than 2,200 crores is annually spent on different forms of grant and aid being given to different schools out of the 17,500 crores of budget that we spend in the state every year. And I'm not here to blame anybody, but I'm here to bring out the facts and to let you know that these are serious challenges. And in spite of all the efforts being made, we are not able to take our state forward in terms of the overall education sector. There are complications, there are steps we can take, some not so easy, some slightly easier, but we will need to all put our heads together, more importantly our hearts together, and to be able to find a way forward so that the students and the children can be at the center of the decision making that is required to transform the education sector today. With the kind of work that is going on here and the kind of contribution that this school has made to the society, here a large number of the students and the families which are not economically that strong are being given preference, and a lot of students who would not have had the opportunity to study today are able to do that thanks to the church and to the managing committee of the school.
Thank you, sir, so much for your kind generosity, for contributing to the school a lot, both in kind and in cash.